Welcome back to Potted Living, the show where we teach you how to grow all kinds of fruits, vegetables, and herbs in your patio or other garden space, growing them specifically in pots. Today is an update video on my blueberry bush. I've got my top hat here as well as my pink lemonade. And unfortunately, again, this year I've had no success growing blueberries. It looked like a strong start with the flowers blooming and the fruits forming, but as you can see, the fruits never really got that big. Some of them turned blue, but they weren't really all that tasty. And overall, the bush, it looks fine, but I wouldn't say it's the best version of itself. And onto the pink lemonade, very few of these flowers actually turned to fruit. And of those that turned to fruit, none of them really turned into anything notable. So again, I have failed growing blueberries on my patio. Very frustrated. It's my third year in a row trying to grow blueberries, and I can just can't get it to work. Could be lack of pollination, maybe the soil is not acidic enough. But here I am in Vancouver, Canada, trying to grow blueberries on a patio, two different varieties, a rabbit eye variety and a low bush variety, and neither worked this year. If you've had success growing blueberries on your patio in a pot, please do post comments in the comment section. I'd love to hear how you did it, because I'm going to try this again next year, and I'll keep you posted on my progress. Again, there's my pink lemonade and my top hat blueberry.